Good afternoon, folks. We are live here at Community Park where, as everybody knows, it is closed. But we had an accident on the water here where two patients are being transferred from the boat here up to the ambulance, as you can see in the distance there. One of the patients was unconscious when the call came in, but is now conscious, they said. So both patients conscious, but they are injured, and they're being tended to right now by the Bullhead City paramedics. This is as close as we can get due to the pandemic that's going on. As you know, our parks are closed. They do have two ambulances down there, so again, watercraft accident at the community park here. Two patients being transported to the ambulance with unknown injuries. I'm Jeff Arganda reporting for Mojave Valley Daily News, live, local in Bullhead City.